Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the different causes of road accident, guys. Okay, so basically there are multiple causes for road accident. So those all are categorized into four different categories, guys. So the first category is nothing but the human error. The second is road condition. The third is environmental issues, you can say, and the fourth is a vehicle condition, guys. Okay, so road accidents are multi-causal and are resulting of interplay of various factors. So basically you cannot say that only human error has caused the accident. So in some situations human error as well as the road condition might also cause the issue like that. So it depends on multiple reasons, guys. We cannot judge directly. Okay, yes. So first let us go through road errors, guys. Okay, so human errors. So human errors are nothing but the mistakes that we did for that particular occurrence. Okay, yes. So accidents caused by human errors include cases of accidents, okay, caused by traffic rule violation. So basically jumping signals, overspeeding, and all those things will come here, guys. So basically the things which a human do by violating something, like violating traffic rules and everything. Okay, so few things could be driving without a valid license. So you are not having license but you are driving the car or bike or something, right? Yes, so that could lead to an issue, right? Yes. Non-use of safety devices. So safety devices are nothing but wearing your helmet or having your seat belt when you are traveling in car, like that. So those are some basic needs, right? So you need to follow them, that's it. Okay, yes. So accidents related to death and injuries in 2018 with overspeeding accounting for 66.5% of the accidents. Okay, so basically when we consider with the overspeeding, so traveling with the overspeed, like the speed limit, you are crossing the speed limit, so that at that time we'll be saying that that vehicle has been overspeeded. Okay, yes. So around 66.5% of the road accidents belongs to that only. So even today we can say, guys, basically even today like around 60 to 70% of the accidents will be due to overspeeding only, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, that next type is nothing but driving on the wrong lanes. So basically you should go this way, you should go in this line in that way, and in this line in that way, in this way, but you are coming in the opposite ways. Okay, you are only traveling for once or rarely, but it is not good, right? Yes. So driving on the wrong side lane, indisciplinary, is the second most important cause, accounting for 5.3%, guys. Okay, it might not be that much, but it is a factor, right? So it is just a small mistake, you can say, but that could lead to a huge issue, right? Yes. Similarly, drunk and drive. Okay, yes. So this is also a common issue, you can say, guys. Okay, like drunk and drive, it is also around alcohol consumption and drugs also. Okay, jumping from red lights, using mobile together. Okay, so these all come under the 65% of the total accidents. Okay, yes. Similarly, vehicles driven by untrained or unqualified drivers are a serious traffic hazards and can cause accidents and death issues. So basically driving without license, right? So indirectly we are saying that only without qualification or without unqualified drivers. Okay, similarly about 74% of the road accidents involve drivers holding a valid license without having been a decreasing year, which has been decreasing yearly to 22.5. Okay, yes, guys, if you are a bit scared with these numbers, please avoid the numbers, guys. There is no requirement that you should write statistics and all those things. You can just skip them, right? Just to give a statement like drunk and drive or consumption of alcohol or drugs and jumping signals and using mobile, okay, will also cause accident. So in that way you can just skip the numbers, because we cannot remember everything perfectly, right? Yes, so that is the reason why you can just skip the numbers. Okay, non-usage of safety devices are also causing accidents. Okay, so in this way you can just write, there is no number here, right? So there could be a chance if you search you will be getting numbers for this also. Okay, yes, in that way. Okay, so these are some human errors, guys. Okay, so not wearing helmets, okay, see here I wrote. Okay, not wearing helmets on two wheelers, that is nothing but 28%, and seat belts, it is 16% based on 2018. Okay, yes. So you might be getting a confusion that, so what did we discuss in human errors? So in human errors we discussed about violating the traffic rules, that is nothing but driving without license or not wearing safety devices. Okay, similarly overspeeding is also an human issue because he is doing, right? Yes. Similarly drunk and drive, using mobile, jumping signals. Okay, so vehicle driving without license. Okay, so it's without driver license. Okay, similarly without safety devices. Okay, so these are all the human errors, guys. If you search you can sorry, if you search, you can get even more errors, guys. Okay, yes. Similarly, the second type is nothing but road conditions. So basically, whenever you are traveling in some popular routes, like frequently lorries or some heavy vehicles, heavy duty vehicles will be moving here and there. So in that situation, the roads should be maintained properly, guys. Because if they don't maintain them, the road condition will be really a problem for everyone. So that is the reason why roads say condition is one of the major important thing that government or anyone should take care of. Okay, yes, the condition and quality of a roadway, which includes the pavement shoulders, okay, pavement shoulders, intersections and traffic control systems can be factoring in a crash. So basically, if the road condition is not good, the vehicles might not be controlled easily, like that there could be some issues, right? Yes, so that is also an issue if the road condition is not good. Similarly, the environmental issues. So basically, we cannot say that every day it will be a smooth day or it will be a sunny day, right? Yes, so sometimes it might be rainy, it might be storm, right? Yes, so in that situation, you cannot have a clear view of the opposite vehicles, right? So if it is a if it is a highway or some kind of bypass road, assume in that way, and if it is not having the middle divider, okay, yes, so in that situation, a vehicle going in this way and a vehicle coming in this way, their lights will reflect each other, guys. So basically, this guy will be focusing light on this guy and this guy will be focusing light on that guy. So basically, they both will be having some eye issues, right? So they cannot see properly. So in this situation, okay, so this is a situation. Again, if it is if it is raining, so in that situation, it will be really bad, right? So such a kind of environmental issues also we can get, guys, like rainy situations in that way, okay, and over sunny, okay, in that way also, okay. Similar, those come under the environmental issues, guys. Similarly, vehicle condition. So basically, your vehicle is not proper, brake issues, okay, so that could also cause an accident, right? Yes, or any kind of leakage issues, like there were multiple issues, right? So you can write on your own. So mechanical conditions of the vehicle can also be causing some kind of crashes, okay. Yes, guys, any question it might be, based on marks you write, guys, basically, okay. If your theory is a bit less, so please write some examples, there will be no issue, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea on the causes of road accidents. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing about types of crashes, guys. Okay, yes. So in how many ways there will be some common crashes, we'll be discussing about that. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.